the sound of pigeon wings. Pigeons always doing interesting things. Pigeons are going interesting places. You can tell from the expression on the little fat faces. I love the sound that pigeons make. I will not make a pigeon cake. Pigeon, magnificent bird. Pigeon, feathered, not furred. I would like to befriend a one, invite him to live in my home. I would cuddle him all night and regale him with my saxophone. I would train him up real good, invite his friends to my congregation, then take over the whole wide world with my feathery army of domination. Pigeon, magnificent bird. Pigeon Army taking over the world. Bang, 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 eat lead from the feathery gun of a pigeon army. Bang, 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 drop dead, perhaps that'll be an end to people calling me balmy.